You guess what this is? It's not a plum. It is a star apple. The gentleman we bought this from at the farmer's market said there's only a few trees on Maui that have these. He was lucky to get them. And let's cut one open. The skin is not edible, but look at the inside. Isn't that cool? Obviously the stars, because there's a star pattern. There's some big seeds that are in here. They're kind of weird because it's kind of gelatinous. And then, let's take a slice and taste it. You want to taste this?
Okay.
All right, you know what? I'll taste it with you. All right, let's taste it. I don't know. That's like a plummish, sweet. It's really good. Almost like a heavy pudding consistency that's sweet and has a tropical light flavor.